Make a great choice today with the 2016 Terrain. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sunroof, remote keyless entry, daytime running lamps, front-wheel drive. Inside you'll find cruise control, console, floor mats, air conditioning. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway mpg is not bad either. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.